Hi, I'm Becky Strapey from Glue and Glitter, and I am super excited today because Farmbox Direct has sent me one of their medium organic produce boxes to share with y'all. The reason that I'm excited about this box, partly because it's full of beautiful fruits and vegetables, but the thing that makes it extra exciting right now is that, like a lot of you, I have not been going to the grocery store. I've been shopping for groceries online, and picking produce online is just not the same as walking through the produce section and checking everything out. Even if you're going to the store right now, chances are you're in kind of a hurry. You don't have a chance to sort of peruse, take your time, see what inspires you. And so what I love about this box is that it's kind of like the produce aisle comes to you. The last farm box I got was pretty great, so I have high hopes. All right, so this arrived on my doorstep last night, or like yesterday afternoon, and I did leave it out overnight, but I'm sure it's fine. They do a good job wrapping. Let's see. Then this is like insulation, and then everything inside is wrapped in paper, but there is like a plastic bag outside, so let's enjoy some crinkling right now. Ooh, so they have those giant big Brussels sprouts. Look at these. These things are like as big as my head. They sent these last time and they were great. I made them in the air fryer, and spoiler, I'll probably do that again. If you want the air fryer Brussels sprouts recipe, it is on my website. Just search for Brussels sprouts and you'll find it. This feels like a zucchini. And it is a zucchini. Let's see what else we've got here. Mangoes. My kid is gonna be very excited about these. I can't believe this is a medium box. This is so much food. All right. Lettuce. Y'all, it has been so long since I've had a salad. Being stuck at home, I've been kind of nervous to order stuff like lettuce because when I'm not shopping for myself, I worry that it's not gonna be in good shape. But this lettuce looks good, y'all. Look at that. Sweet potatoes, also gonna make my kids' day. There's probably more of them in there. The potatoes are loose. Speaking of potatoes, I don't know if you've been having trouble finding potatoes. Whoa, I had a runaway at the store, but I have, and so I'm glad to be getting some in this box. Multicolored carrots, that's fancy. Ooh, onions. A lot of onions. Oh no, one onion. We're going through a real onion phase in my house. My kid likes them done up in the air fryer. It's like $3.50 for like 5 minutes or so with a little spray of oil, and they are so good on everything. And we've been pickling them, which has been really fun. This is a huge zucchini. Look at this thing. They've sent some really giant produce. It's really fun. I'll probably air fry the zucchini too. I know you're probably sensing a theme. Oh, kiwi. We're just gonna straight up eat these. I'm 100% sure of that. I love a kiwi. We haven't been getting a lot of fresh fruit lately, which has kind of been a bummer, so I'm excited about all of this. It tells you how to recycle the insulation, so I'm gonna save this for later. We've got some oranges. We'll just eat those too. Oh, another orange. Oh my gosh, could it be an avocado? You know we love an avocado. This one's gonna take a few days to be ready, but when it is, I'm gonna make some tacos. Ooh. A bell pepper. Probably use this for chili unless there's a bunch of them, and then maybe I'll stuff them. My friend Kadri from Kadri's Kitchen just posted a great recipe for stuffed bell peppers that I was looking at, so if there's enough for all three of us, maybe that's what we'll do. Pears. These also feel like they need a few days to ripen, but I'd rather get them underripe than spoiled. We'll probably just eat these. We really don't cook with fruit a whole bunch around here. We just kind of eat it. One more precious potato. Everything's all wrapped in paper, I guess, so it doesn't bruise. So sorry about all the crinkling. I can't really avoid it. More pears. Oh man, I can't wait to eat some pears. It's been so long. Apples, we have been getting apples and we have been going through them at lightning speed, so I'm excited to have more. We have been just cutting them up and eating them with peanut butter as a, you know, as a snack. I don't know why I had such trouble coming up with the word snack. More apples. And I think this is, oh, nope, there's 2 more things. These are tiny. Do you think they're more kiwis? You were right. And the last thing, I think, unless there's something under here. Nope. Yep, this is the last item. It feels like another zucchini. So that's it. We've got a whole bunch of awesome produce from a medium-sized Farmbox Direct box. If you have any other questions about this box that I didn't address in the video, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to follow me if you don't already. Happy cooking!